just tell by the title, this is a Ramen Noodle Tortilla. A tortilla out of ramen noodles. So I am coming up with some new ways of using ramen noodles instead of just the cooking way. Because I'm going to tell you, you can make a lot of things with it. To mix the noodles up first in the blender, because I really want it chopped up fine because I'm in my blender. 1 cup of flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of flour, 1 pack of ramen noodles, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. One tablespoon of Tabasco hot sauce. We try and get this up and pop. Add the dough on the board, because your board got the flour or oil. They say you can use either or. So we're going to take a few balls and roll it. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, y'all, I am back. They've been in the refrigerator for probably about an hour. Now we're going to roll them out. Spread some of that flour so it won't stick. And roll, 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 roll. I mean, I like them thin. Let's go ahead and put it on the thing. Okay, y'all, look. Look. That's the thin one. Make us a taco. A taco. There's some chicken breast that I cooked. I just cooked in a skillet. Let's try it. The tortilla got a crunch to it. Because this is good.